Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? You all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we showcase birthday special dress design ideas for baby girls that will make your little one feel like a princess on her special day. From charming tutu dressed with fluffy layers and sparkly sequins to elegant gowns adorned with lace, bows, and floral embellishments, there's a variety of styles to suit any birthday theme. You will find vibrant colors options like pink, purple, gold, and soft pastel, along with unique details like off shoulder designs and glittery essence. Whether you are planning a themed birthday party or a classic celebration, those dress ideas will find and help your baby girl birthday a magical and memorable occasion.